Hello friends, welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to insert an offline video into your Microsoft Word document. Whether you are preparing a school project, business, report, training manual, or presentation or documentation, adding a video file directly into your Word can make your content interactive and professional. In this video, we will guide you through the exact step to embed or linked offline videos such as a MP4, AVI or WMV and MOV files. No internet connection required. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Microsoft Word document. Here we can see have a document on my class. Now I want to add a video to the last part of my page. Now I want to adding this video. You can go to the insert menu and here we can see online videos, but I don't use internet. I use only offline video. Now I am go to the object option. Click this object. Then go to create from file option. Then click browse. Now I find my video. Now I am choose this video and click insert. Then click insert. And we can see here the video, and the video title is beautiful red hibiscus flower blossom with prominent yellow pistil and stems on green background MP4. Now I want to open the video. Double click on this video. Then you can see the video. And we can see we successfully added video on offline. I hope you understand this process. This process is very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get important video very soon. Thanks for watching.